Welcome back to our channel, Speed and Sound Motors Garage. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do cylinder compression test for the internal combustion engine. Today I have a Honda mf08, the 250cc scooter. The client was complaining about loss of power, so today he has come. I'm going to do a compression test, so subscribe to the channel. Don't miss. I'm going to use this tool. It is reading in bars and PSI, so subscribe and then let us get started. So I'm going to use this universal tool. I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use these adapters. So now I have removed the spark plug already. And I'm going to put it to make sure it is airtight between the spark plug and this rubber here, this hose pipe, so that we get a proper reading. So first of all, we are going to crank the engine when the throttle is widely open to get proper readings. Start. So now we are seeing this 175 psi. Yet on the ordnance manual, as you're seeing there, is indicated at 227. It is 159 kilopascals. This is 1,569 kilopascals. Yet when you convert it to psi, it is 227 psi, as you're seeing there. Now it is 175, which now we have seen. Remember, to do a compression test, you should crank the engine when the throttle is widely open. Now you've seen I'm reading 175 psi. Yet it should be around 227 psi. That is the minimum limit for the owner. That is the manufacturer specification for this specific bike. So in order to get your specific reading, you need to consult always your repair manual because different engines have different compression pressure. So subscribe to the channel. I sign out.